The website for Sphero is divided into 3 sections: education, products, and community. I spent several hours on this website, and I do think that it could be organized more clearly. Some of the very best resources that I found were buried in several levels. In addition to the variations of Sphero that you see on this slide, the company also partners with Disney. So there are Star Wars droids and even a Spider-Man version. Products are sold individually or in bulk to schools. While a company has many different versions of the robot, 2.0, Spark Plus, Bolt, and Mini, for this review I purchased a Mini-Sphero. Apparently, you can use the Sphero Edu app with all of them. In order to scaffold student learning, teachers can let students program their robots in 3 different ways. They can draw, use Scratch block code, or write JavaScript. Is Sphero easy to use? Sure it is. The easiest part may be driving. After you have downloaded the Sphero Play app and charged your toy and synced it with your device, it's pretty easy to get started. There are different ways to drive. You can use kick, slingshot, or tilt, or you can drive with your face. Sphero robots are great for breaking the ice at Thanksgiving parties. They also provide a great opportunity to learn how to share. While STEM applications are obvious, any teacher could let students apply creativity and critical thinking skills with this tool. The Sphero EDU activities page houses links to lessons in math, science, coding, social studies, and art. It also organizes lessons according to age group, K through 2, 3 through 5, 6 through 8, and 9 through 12. Teacher users post easy-to-read lesson titles, they give a time estimate, and they indicate the appropriate grade levels, and they state an objective for lessons they upload. Some of these lessons are more in-depth than others, with sequential instructions and videos of students completing the lesson. The biggest problem is finding it on the website.
What my mom and I really enjoy about Sphero is that you can learn how to code and share your videos of coding and using Sphero on the Sphero website. So if you look here, we can have the feed, which is other people using their Sphero. So you can look what they're doing and maybe try it out yourself. Then if you look at 3D models, look, it's really cool.
I decided that I would love to use a Sphero or Sphero Minis in small groups when teaching sonnets and Iambic Pentameter and teaching the students how to tap out using their shoes, the different ways that we can determine what the meter of a line of poetry is. And so, while I might take issue with the website's navigation confusion, I can only blame myself for the fact that my Iambic pentameter code sometimes went topsy-turvy instead of following a straight line, and the heartbeat rhythm wasn't quite perfect. But really, that's probably the very best thing about learning to code. My troubles prove what Yasmin Kafai and Quinn Burke say. I shouldn't be doing this alone. I should be coding it in a group alongside others, collaborating and learning along with them.